Qwark vid comic number 3, and guess what? This is much easier.
I heard somebody has the latest vid comic in the Qwark versus Nefarious series. Would that somebody hurry up and finish it already?
Sure, yeah, with charge boots, things are much faster, and I like it.
Episode 3, Shadow of the Robot. For 6 days, Captain Qwark clung to the ship like the dung of a giant green space bird. Finally, the ship arrived at its destination, a secret robotic laboratory on planet Magmos. Drawing on his mastery of the ancient art of disguise, Qwark slipped into the laboratory completely undetected.
Somebody order a pizza?
Qwark's plan was flawless, but unbeknownst to our hero, his every move was being watched.
The famous Captain Qwark couldn't possibly be this stupid, could he?
Even drooling imbeciles can achieve success in certain fields, sir. Mad science, for example. Shall I have him annihilated, then?
Let him come to us. I'll have a special surprise waiting for him.
God, he looks exactly like Snively from the Sat AM Sonic series. God, it's terrifying how alike they are. It's never occurred to me before. So, health upgrade, that was easy to find. Yes, so that's Nefarious. Nefarious was originally human. I can't remember why, but he was. Yeah, I can't remember why he was human originally, but I think it's explained soon, so. But I do like that, the fact that he was originally human. And but yeah, there's when Nefarious talks in the 5th Qwark comic, it's much funnier.
Press circle to fire my blaster. Hold down R1 and move the left analog stick for precision aiming.
Gotta get you, there we go. It's these kind of things which is what's gonna slow you down when trying to get a skill point. I got the itchiest head for some reason. Oh, there it is. Yeah. I don't know why I've got such an itchy head today. It's annoying. Die! No, you halt! No, you. Oh dear. Well, I got half of them. That's good. Half the tokens so far. Yeah. 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 No! Try not to get hit here. Wait. Okay, there's nothing up there. We'll have a check. At least I think so. Boom. Yeah, this is one of those ones where using a gun is necessary. Using your fists won't be good enough. Guns, you need them. Ow. If I die right at the end, I'll be sad. I actually totally am, aren't I? No! Don't do that. No! Where the hell is it? Where could I have actually missed it? It's impossible to go back. How far back? How far back? It's not far enough.
Reminds me of this nightmare where I was trapped in an elevator with a swarm of robots.
I can't get 100% this time because I missed one. One stupid thing. Where though? That's the question. Where did I miss it? no, not there. Damn! Where did I miss it? I'm sad. I'm very sad. I'm missing out on some bolts. I'll get it later, not now. It's pointless to get it now.
It's over, Nefarious.
Never! I am the greatest genius the galaxy has ever known. You're no match for the likes of me.
That's rich. I used to beat up geeks like you in high school. I'll bet your prom date came in a box that said batteries not included. Say, come to think of it, we've met before, haven't we?
No, of course not.
Mr. Buzzell's 9th grade biology class.
I always hated biology.
That's right. You were that freak with the headgear. Remember how you used to clean the chalkboard with your pants while you were still wearing them? Oh, good times.
You were 3 times my size, you stupid hoe.
I was always big for my age.
You were 26.
Say, how about a wedgie for old time's sake? I think it's safe to say we've seen the last of Dr. Nefarious. Time to celebrate another job well done.
But the danger was far from over. For in defeating one menace to the galaxy, Qwark had created another, even more terrifying evil.
Yep. Qwark killed Nefarious because he was an arsehole. At least we know where we got it from, eh? It's funny because it's fucking true. Seriously, Qwark deserves to die. Just put it out there. But Holostar Studios is pretty fun.